L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plus Pure Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Clarifying shampoo and rehydrating conditioner with salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid, 1 kit. Clarifying shampoo and rehydrating conditioner hair care set. Elvive Hyaluron Plus Pure features dual-action formula with salicylic and hyaluronic acid to instantly remove up to 100% of residue, leaving the scalp feeling refreshed and reinvigorated up to 72H. Inspired by skincare. Infused with salicylic and hyaluronic acids for up to 72H of purified roots and hydrated lengths. From the #1 skincare serum brand. Scented with bright berries, cherry blossom, sweet vanilla, and sandalwood. Purifying and rehydrating routine. First, gently exfoliate with the Hyaluron Plus Pure Oil Erasing Serum. Then, clarify with the Hyaluron Plus Pure 72H Purifying Shampoo. Finally, rehydrate with the Hyaluron Plus Pure 72H Rehydrating Conditioner. Custom hair care solutions for all hair types. From expertly formulated hair treatments, masks and serums, to nourishing leave-in conditioners and frizz-defying shampoo and conditioner, we've got what you need. L'Oréal Paris Innovation. We are a total beauty care company that combines the latest in technology with the highest in quality for the ultimate in hair color, hair care, hairstyle, skincare, and cosmetics. Don't forget to share the love and subscribe my channel.